Linguise for Shopify. Professional translation made effortless. Our native Shopify app delivers instant cloud AI-powered translations in over 85 languages. Simply install from the Shopify App Store, select the target languages, and it's done. Your entire store, products, descriptions, checkout flow, and third-party apps translates automatically. Fine-tune translations with our intuitive front-end editor. Click any text and edit in real time. Customize your language switcher design. Set translation rules and dictionaries for brand consistency. All content updates translate automatically, keeping every language version synchronized.
Built for performance and SEO. Translated URLs, automatic sitemaps, and optimized page speed ensure Google ranks your multilingual content. Unlimited page views included.
Clear, transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Unlimited translated page views included. Scale your global business without limits. Try Linguise free for 30 days. Transform your Shopify store into an international powerhouse.